Okay, so far I paid 100k to have a bit of silence away from the city. That's like all. The sound is great. We don't have this hissing sound, like as if there were 10,000 snakes around me. This breathing, hissing jungle sound is crazy. I like it. Can't even describe it. It's like a big hiss. Yeah, but right now this is a street through the jungle, so I guess worth 2,000 pesos. We collect everything that we think it's worth, and then we say if the price was worth it. And if you rather go to any jungle, this is my thesis, rather go to any jungle and any coastline. I think if I had went to Bahia Solano, that would have been more because of the 2 flights and the cost for the hostel. But I bet my ass this would have been more nature than this will be, because there are fences everywhere. Like, don't even leave the path. So this is a very boring national park. Also, why is this guy humping what for? Like, why are people in Colombia so in love with using their horns? It's fucking stupid. Yeah, these fences are kind of a joke, because you could bypass them everywhere. Like, there's this really huge fence and it's super easy to just go beneath it. Yeah, but there's, like, this is worth 1,000 pesos. So we are at 3,000 pesos right now. Like 3,000. 3,000 this park has played inside my pockets right now.